So when I first came into business in 2021, um, I resigned from a position of national sales and sales marketing executive, and I came into I registered a Rario business consultancy. Wanted to go into business. Since I came from a sales marketing background, I have a small amount of experience on sales and marketing. So, but I found I I saw that in the business world, sales and marketing, and I had to know that very early in business that sales and marketing is very important in any business. Sales and marketing. So I very committed to learn sales and marketing. I watched videos online, and trust me, YouTube is a university. So it's my 4 years in business now, and it felt like it's also my 4 years in the university or YouTube university. I've learned a lot of sales and marketing all around the world. I've seen how businesses grow from nothing to something in months and in years. And so I wanted to really try it. So anyway, so I registered our business consultancy and the concept of branding. The first thing that I've learned as an entrepreneur, the concept of branding really hit me. The first thing that I've invested most of my time on, most of my money on, I was investing in my branding. I wanted to have a great logo, a logo that can attract my clients to know that can attract prospective clients to know that I am a genuine business. I'm a genuine business. I'm a genuine growing company. And I want to go out there because I want to hit the professional world. I want to go and get clients and professional clients that I can work with. They can pay for my products and services that I'm offering. So it was quite a long journey, but I had to come up with all sorts of logos. I mean, finally, I in just some months of starting business, I got one or two clients from graphics. Uh, so I did some graphics work and had a few bucks, and then um, I asked one of the professionals out. I said, "Oh, can you do me a logo? My concept is around identity and all this and all that." So he did this logo for me, the current logo that you see, and it's kind of it's like a fingerprint. If you see it now. But I don't really want to shape the finger, but at least it looks like a fingerprint, but at least it's round, so it looks professional and all this. And then my color, I said, oh, I want black and gold. I love black and gold, so I put black and gold there. And then I was more into like let's try it out on some uniforms and some merchandise and see. So in the future, when I make money, I can really invest in it. I can really invest in my branding, and I can get some merchandise probably for sales and just for the company. Yeah, to use it for market. But that's the thing that I found about like I I was so like privileged to know that very early that branding is very important in any business. So when you start up a business, always look at your branding because your branding is what it's just an idea, but it will guide you on where you want to go. So as for me, when I built this business, I didn't just starting off by doing marketing and sales and uh, trying to get clients in or customers into my business. So the first thing is I have to really look at how I brand my business and the approach that I want to take towards the corporate world. the corporate world out there, because my aim was to work alongside corporate companies on videography and commercials and documentaries, project documentation, graphics, and all this. So that is why I named the business Rario Business Consultancy, because so that it's generalized term of who or what I am going to do in the future. So as time goes by, I've seen the importance of branding, and I have a lot to talk about business. I have a lot to talk about business. 4 years in business now, and I have a lot of experience. And when I talk about business, and I'm not successful yet, but as time goes by, I just wanna document this so that I have some story to tell, or maybe I can inspire someone out there that really wants to go to business, and you're procrastinating, or you're doubting yourself and all this. So this is the first step that I took. The first step that I took was branding. Just branding. I invested a lot of my time on branding, and till today, my branding does the marketing for me. My branding does the marketing for me. When I open up social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, uh, Instagram, YouTube, and all this, my branding already can show me how my whole branding idea guides me on how I will do my social media post, guides me on how I will do my business profile, guides me on how I will do my email marketing, anything to do with digital marketing. And my branding already gave me the guide to do that. And it's very impressive, very impressive. And so far, it really worked. So that is why, like in any business you are starting, in any business that you're starting, I encourage. I mean, you look at the lower tests that I'm using. Now, this is the lower tests I'm using. The way I'm capturing this video. It's a simple video. I took this video on a currently run right now on a mobile phone. So Vivo X200. Vivo is one of my clients that we're doing social media marketing for them. So the way that I lay out my branding and all this, I mean, my lower text, you see the logo, you see the names, you see the topics that I'm talking about. This is all about branding. So my branding also guides me on, okay, if I do my videos, I'm going to put my lower text there. I'm going to put my logo there. I'm going to color grade my video like this. I'm going to do my video in a way where it meets the standard of my company. It meets the standard, or it gives you a story of who I am, what kind of person I am. And I am an entrepreneur, and I want to take a professional approach into the business world, because the way I did my branding, the way that I invested most of my time on, is to um, I didn't just think locally. You see. My aim is to go out there globally, uh, because we are in the times of digital era. We are in the digital era, so everything will be digitalized, and most businesses do not see the importance of branding yet. But when you come into business, and when you see the importance of digital marketing and all this, from emailing to SOE to social media marketing and all this, and then you will understand that branding will play a very big role. Most big corporate companies that I've worked with, that I won't mention, but when they give their commercials, or their plan to me, or when they give their um, product, or when they give an instruction or a work order, they also supply their branding guideline, so that we know exactly what type of fonts that we're going to use in the video, what type of how are we going to which side of the video that are we going to put the logo on. Also, we what type color of lower text, everything is provided in-depth branding guideline when they supplied us the branding guideline. So they did guide us on how to keep their standards, on which fonts. We don't just write fonts and put it out there. We don't just put up a title and put up those notes and all these animations and everything. No, we do it according to their branding guideline. Or if we design a poster, especially a poster, they will give us the template. They will say, this is how we want our graphics done. This is how we want our posters done. This is how we want our billboards done. This is how we want our social media campaigns done. And all is in the branding guidelines. So I will talk more about branding. This is just an introductive video of why or how I came into business, and I really love it. I really love it, and I really like tap myself on the shoulder that you made the right choice to invest in branding. Get yourself a professional logo, invested in good uniforms and business cards. My emails are well set. Uh, my my business profile is well designed, following our branding guidelines, and my website, my portfolio, all this. And even now, my YouTube channel, and even my social media, even my Facebook channel, even my LinkedIn, everything is just branded black and gold. And not just one company. I own 3 companies. I own Rario Business Consultancy, Rario Visuals. I have Rario Electronics, which is currently under branding, and currently building it. Rario Visuals is a full functional multimedia company. We provide live streaming services. We provide anything to do with multimedia. Anything to do with Rario Business Consultancy. We deal with project documentation. We deal with graphics. We deal with business documentation. If you want a best profile, good design profile, business cards, ID cards, anything to do with your branding. We also provide you branding guidelines. We can build your branding for startup businesses or for existing businesses that want to go into rebranding. We help with that. We can consult you. I have a good heights when it comes to branding. So anything that can make you stand out in the noisy market, anything that can help you stand out in the crowded places. So yeah, I'm confident that I can help you with that. So reach out to Rario Business Consultancy, reach out to Rario Visuals for anything that you want to do. You want to run events, you want to go into, you have some events, you have a commercial, you have a small commercial you want to shoot for SMEs, for corporate companies. If you have a big project coming up and we want to document the project, and can Rario Business Consultancy come, manage our project, assess our project, create reports, build reports, and send it back. For these sort of things, you want to put graphics, you want to put branding, we will do that for you. So currently working with a lot of clients. I will be showing some behind the scenes soon with you guys, so that you guys know what we're doing around the space, around this area. So currently, Rario Business Consultancy, we're operating out of Port Moresby. We're also operating out of Ley. So we're soon to try to open some branches all around Papua New Guinea. We also have some international clients. So once we see that our budget is okay, we can open a office abroad. Anything is possible. So with a good branding, my whole point about this video is that with a good branding, you can attract both local clients and global clients, international office clients. Anyway, so thank you for being with me tonight in this introductory video. Uh, if I didn't introduce myself, I am Bradley Rario. I'm the managing director, and I call myself CEO most times of Rario Business Consultancy, Rario Visuals, Rario Electronics, and soon to open Rario Trends and Logistics System. And in the future, if you keep watching my channel, I will be opening Rario groups of companies, and we will launch. So this is my aim. This is my goal for like 5 years from now. I want to own a groups of companies. So always dream big. Always dream big. Start locally. Aim globally, but start locally. So this is what I'm doing. Um, Otherwise, thank you very much for being with me. We'll come up with some more episodes, and we'll have some more discussions. Probably some other time we'll come on live and we can have a chat and all this. But otherwise, stay stay positive. If you are procrastinating on going into business, take a first step, do some sales, make some profit, make some losses, and learn along the way. Otherwise, information is unlimited. Information is just out there. You can learn anything, anytime, anyway. But coming from an entrepreneur myself, I just want to encourage you that if you want to do business, just go out there and do business. Just go out there and start something that you love the most. I turn my passion into a business career now. It's my 4 years in business. As we go along, I will show you some of my clients, and I will also show you some of the sales that we close. Also show you some of the biggest, uh, biggest high ticket clients that I've closed. Some of the clients that I've lost. Some of my long term, short term clients. But otherwise, we'll be talking more in this channel. So please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, share my video, also comment below so that I know that you guys are interested in more of these episodes. Uh, Thank everyone for watching. This is Bradley Rario, and when it comes to Rario Business Consultancy, possibility comes to cooperation. Out.